Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to find Binance USDT wallet address. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. To locate your USDT wallet address on Binance, first, log in to your Binance account. Once logged in, you will see this page. Navigate to your wallet and then proceed to your spot and fiat. To find USDT, simply search for it here. Once you've found it, click on it. The next step is to go to Deposit Crypto right here. After selecting Deposit Crypto, you will need to choose the network you'll be using. There are various options like ERC20, BEP20, EOS, Near Protocol, Arbitrum 1, Solana, TRC20, and many more. Let's select one for example. Here, the network is ERC20. This is the address for your USDT wallet. Simply copy it from here. You can then send this address to someone from whom you'll be receiving USDT. Alternatively, they can scan the QR code shown at the top of your screen. And that's all there is to finding your USDT wallet address on Binance. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.